Hello, greetings mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-Spacers natin out there from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And sa lahat po ng ating mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-Spacers na nakatutok po ngayon sa ating online telescope viewing worldwide and netwide. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. This is your ka-Skywatcher and ka-Spacer, Professor Jun Cahigal, from the Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas, and welcome to another of our online telescope viewing. So today is January 6, 2025, and what you are viewing on screen is our almost first quarter moon. So the moon is 6 days old and about 47.5% illuminated. So almost first quarter na rin po mga ka-Skywatchers. Alright, so halos kalahati na yung buwan. The moon is half illuminated po. And again, today is January 6, 2025. Ayan po, so this is our second online telescope viewing for 2025. Nag-live stream din po ako nung Saturday. Yan, yung waxing crescent moon. But ito pa almost pa lang, almost first quarter moon. The moon is about 47.5% illuminated. Ayan po, no? So, namnamin niyo po ang ganda ng ating buwan ngayong gabi. No, we have clear skies. Kaninang umaga hanggang hapon, very cloudy. Pero pagdating ng gabi, halos wala na. And the visible planets can be observed. No? Sa ibaba ng buwan are the planets Saturn and Jupiter. Venus rather, Venus. So Saturn and Venus on the western sky. Then sa eastern sky, we have Jupiter and Mars. Alright, so ayan po ang ating night sky today, January 6, 2025. Alright, so we have the moon, almost first quarter, and the following visible planets. So below the moon, we have Saturn and Venus on the western sky. Then at the eastern sky, we have Jupiter and Mars. Alright, so ayan yung tinatawag natin na planet parade. So itong mga heavenly bodies na ito, they are located in that imaginary line called an ecliptic. Sa social media, tinatawag nilang planetary alignment, but I would rather call it planet parade kasi yung mga visible planets like Saturn, Venus, Jupiter, and Mars, they are located in that imaginary line called an ecliptic. Yan po ang dinadaanan ng mga heavenly bodies like the sun, the moon, the planets. That imaginary path in the night sky called the ecliptic. Alright. Okay, so there mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-Spacers. So please comment down below, mag-comment po kayo kung ano po ang inyong masasabi sa ating lunar imaging tonight. So what we have here is an almost first quarter moon. Pero parang first quarter na rin. No? The moon is 47.5% illuminated. Yan. And marami na tayong nakikitang mga lunar features like craters, yung mga bright areas, yung mga cratered areas and lunar highlands, and yung mga dark patches, those are lunar plains, no? So ang tawag dyan ay mares or Marias. Alright, so please comment down below mga ka-Skywatchers and mga ka-Spacers kung ano po ang inyong masasabi sa ating lunar imaging ngayong gabi. And I would like to acknowledge po yung ating mga volunteers from the Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. And shoutout po sa lahat sa inyo, lahat ng mga nakatutok po ngayon sa ating live stream, sa ating online telescope viewing tonight. Yan, so sana wag po kayong umalis, wag niyo po akong iwanan, and please like and share this online telescope viewing para makarating naman po sa maraming tao, lalong-lalo na po yung mga estudyante natin out there, so that they would be engaged to love the sciences, lalong-lalo na po ang astronomy. Alright, so in a few minutes, we will be magnifying the image of the moon para we can see more details of the lunar surface. So again, please comment down below mga ka-sky watchers and mga ka-spacers. So shoutout po sa inyong lahat kung saan man kayong panig ng mundo, kung nandito po kayo sa Pilipinas or outside of the Philippines. Marami pong salamat sa inyong pagtutok sa ating online telescope viewing. Please follow us on our Facebook page, the Skywatchers Society of Las Piñas. Ayan po, no? So ang ganda po ng ating buwan and maganda po yung sky, halos walang ulap. No, sana ganito po sa Thursday because this coming Thursday, January 9, we will be having a free public telescope viewing at Robinson's Place, Las Piñas, ang aming headquarters. Then sa 10 naman, we're not yet sure, sana sa terminal sa Alabang. And Saturday, this coming Saturday, January 11, if I'm not mistaken, nasa Alabang Town Center po kami. Alright. Sige, so let's magnify the image of the moon so that we can observe more details of the lunar surface. Alright, here we go. Alright, so we can see those bright areas. So yung mga bright areas of the moon are lunar craters, so maraming craters and highlands. And yung mga dark patches are lunar plains. Those are solidified pools of ancient basaltic lava. Ayan, so ang tawag doon sa mga dark areas na yan ay mares or Marias, like Mare Tranquillitatis. Yan po, or Sea of Tranquility, kung saan po naglanding yung Apollo 11. Alright, so namnamin niyo po ang ganda ng ating buwan ngayong gabi. Today is January 6, it's a Monday, 2025. And ang moon natin is almost na first quarter. So the moon is about 47.5% illuminated. Konti na lang first quarter na. Okay. Ayan, okay. Let's try to magnify some more. Tignan natin. Wow, fantastic. Right, so please comment down below mga ka-sky watchers and mga ka-spacers kung ano po ang inyong masasabi sa ating magnified image of the moon. Truly amazing. Ayan, so kitang-kita po yung mga craters, and ito po yung aking favorite moon phase, no, o yung mga first quarter, kasi ito po yung phase na talagang makikita natin yung isang damakmak na craters sa buwan. Kaya pag first quarter talagang kung pwede nagla-livestream ako or take pictures of the moon pag first quarter or last quarter. Ayan. All right. Yan. So, ito yung tatlong craters. Theophilus, Catarina, and Cyrillus. Yan. Ito po. Di gitna ko po. Yan. Alright. Alright, so ito po yung tatlong craters na very prominent pag yan, waxing crescent hanggang first quarter, yan, ito po. Naginigit na ako ho, so you have Theophilus, Catarina, and Cyrillus. Alright, yan, ang ganda, daming craters, mga ka-sky watchers. Ayan, so habang pinapanood po ninyo yung ating lunar image, just imagine yourselves na nasa loob po kayo ng Apollo spacecraft and imagine that you are orbiting the moon. Ayan, so ang telescope ay parang spaceship yan. For me, the telescope is like a spaceship. Ayan. As you look through the lens, eyepiece ng telescope, para na po kayong sumisilip sa porthole ng Apollo spacecraft na nag-orbit sa buwan. Yan. And speaking of telescope, again, I am using one of my favorite telescopes. So, ito po yung Vixen Super Polaris R130S Reflecting Telescope. Yan. Pag sinabi nating reflecting telescope, the telescope uses mirrors. May concave mirror at the back of the telescope that collects the light. Then the light is reflected on a secondary flat mirror. Then it is reflected to the focuser eyepiece. Yeah. Wow, isn't that amazing? So, please comment down below mga ka-sky watchers kung if you are fascinated, if you're amazed at what you are seeing right now sa ating live stream of the moon. Again, the moon is an almost first quarter phase. The moon is 47.5% illuminated. And almost first quarter na rin po. And aside from the moon, the visible planets like Venus, Saturn, Jupiter, and Mars can be seen at a glance together with the moon. So yan po yung tinatawag natin na planet parade. I don't want to call it planetary alignment. Mas maganda pagtawagin na lang natin planet parade. Meaning that these astronomical objects are located in that imaginary line called an ecliptic. Yan, no? Alright. Pero mas maganda yan pag mid-January. Yan. Alright. And meron po kami mga scheduled free public telescope viewings this week. So on Thursday, January 9, we will be having a free public telescope viewing at Robinson's Place, Las Piñas. Yan. So yung mga Las Piñeros dyan, antabayanan nyo po kami sa Robinson's Place, Las Piñas. Then January 10 po, pag good to go tayo, we will be at the terminal sa Alabang, yung dating Star Mall sa Alabang, ginawang parang terminal ng mga buses doon. So doon po kami. And on January 11, Saturday, we will be at Alabang Town Center or ATC. Ayan, no? So if you're in the vicinity, puntahan nyo po kami, and we will be having a free public telescope viewing. Alright, so there mga ka-Sky Watchers. Yan, so nasa gitna po yung Sea of Tranquility or Mare. At yan po yan. So yung gitna na yan, yung dark patch na yan sa gitna, that's the Sea of Tranquility kung saan naglanding po yung Apollo 11. Alright, so there mga ka-Sky Watchers. So siguro ibalik na natin yung buwan sa kanyang original size. Here we go. Alright, so there you have it mga ka-Sky Watchers and mga ka-Spacers. Yan po yung ating online telescope viewing for tonight, January 6, Monday 2025. And again, you are viewing on screen our almost first quarter moon. So the moon is 6 days old and 47.5% illuminated. Yan. So sana po nagustuhan niyo po yung ating live stream ngayong gabi. And again, don't forget to like and share this video so that we could reach more people. No, lalong-lalo na po yung mga estudyante natin out there so that they would be engaged to love the sciences. Don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, the Skywatcher Society of Las Piñas. Alright, so hanggang dito na lang tayo. Marami pong salamat and don't forget to always keep looking up and like and share po tayo sa ating video. Malaking tulong po sa amin yan. Marami pong salamat. Good night. Namnamin niyo po ang ganda ng ating buwan ngayong gabi.